Imagine a world where proving you're human is as simple as a quick eye scan. Welcome to Worldcoin, the brainchild of Sam Altman, now ramping up with its latest iris scanning technology. Worldcoin's mission: to create a world ID, a digital passport that can distinguish humans from AI bots online. This could revolutionize online security and tackle the growing problem of fake identities on the internet. In today's digital age, it's getting harder to know who's real and who's not. With advancements in AI-generated bots, chat interactions and deepfakes, the lines between real users and artificial ones are blurring fast. Worldcoin is designed to cut through that noise and ensure you can prove you're a human being, quickly and securely. Recently, Worldcoin introduced an updated version of its Orb device, the technology used to scan irises and issue these world IDs. With 5G connectivity and enhanced privacy and security features, this technology is gaining attention worldwide. But like any new technology, there are concerns. How will Worldcoin handle sensitive biometric data? And what happens if that data gets compromised? But let's take a step back. Why is this important? As AI systems continue to evolve, we're entering a world where bots can pose as real people, potentially skewing everything from online voting to social media interactions. By providing a tool like World ID, it could ensure that only real, verified people have access to certain digital spaces. The applications of this technology could range from secure banking systems, where only real people can access accounts, to ensuring real-world transparency in online communities. However, it hasn't been all smooth sailing. Privacy concerns have already surfaced, with critics asking how the company plans to protect this massive store of biometric data. The challenge is finding a balance between global accessibility and protecting individuals' sensitive data. With Sam Altman, the co-founder of OpenAI, at the helm, this project is clearly one to watch. It's setting the stage for how we might verify identity in the future, as the digital world and AI continue to advance. So what do you think about iris scanning for proving human identity? Let us know your thoughts in the comments. If you found this video insightful, make sure to hit that like button, and don't forget to subscribe for more on the latest in AI and cybersecurity. Stay curious, stay secure, and stay human.